Hello, my name is Amar. Welcome to another tutorial of RPG series which we are trying to make. So today in this tutorial we are gonna make sure that once the character equips the sword, he performs the equip sword animation. But also at the same time we are gonna use gameplay animation sample where like the upper body is gonna show that he's equipping the weapon animation and the lower body is gonna show his movement animations. So let's get started. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do share it with your friends, and also join the wishlist for the game which I'm making with my team. Thank you very much. Let's get started.
Hello there. So let's get started. So first, what we're gonna do, we are gonna get the animation. First, let's convert the animation which we have. It's gonna be the idle animation. Ideally, sorry, I IDLE idle. Yeah, we're gonna use this one where he's equipping the weapon. So we are gonna create an anim montage, and it's gonna be IDLE idle. And let's export animation and export. Now we have the idle animation of it. There is the idle animation. Now what we're gonna do, like if you see this animation, in this animation, like we are gonna make sure the character performs the upper body animation when is equipped and the locomotion of the lower body animation. So let's see how can we do it. It's kind of my first time as well. So this is what you see, like how it looks like currently at the moment. So we are going to first kind of take this bit away, and we're gonna break it, and we new save cache course, and let's name this free course. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna get blend per bone. This is a very important one, and we are gonna get. Oh, for now, let's hold on to this one. Don't worry about it. Now obviously, we need to kind of to tell that when the to animation to be played when the character is holding the katana. So the best way to do is let's create an enum. So here I created an enum folder and click on enum, and now let's create enum is equal to weapon. So currently we are gonna have just two enum. One is as usual unarmed, another one is katana. So let's save it, and let's go to here, and let's first create a new variable called weapon, weapon, and this one is gonna be uh e underscore weapon, and let's drag this one here, get weapon. So when you get this weapon, we can get blend pose e weapon. Let's right click and get the katana, and we also drag the animation, which is this one, of course. Well, idle katana, and it's gonna jump to the katana pose. And now here we go. Oh no, we just select this. Oh, 1 second. I think so. We need to save this. Now, once you click on this, here we go and get katana. Now let's connect this to this. And for the blend weight, we are gonna go with 0.05. No, sorry. For the blend weight, we are gonna go with 0.5. And for default blend time, we'll go with 0.25. Uh, 0.25. It's up to you guys. For me, I felt this is a very comfortable number. I'm just gonna keep this clip away. And now to this, we are gonna pre-post, which we are getting this one here. And we're gonna Control C, Control V. We're gonna get that one here as well. And let's save it. And also to make sure this is a loop animation. because you want the animation to keep repeating itself. Now we're gonna let in the character blueprint know that once the character achieves this katana, he performs katana animation. So for that, we need to go to our character blueprint. Where is our character blueprint, which is this one? Then we go to this one. In this one, when the character equips the weapon, we create another input inside this equipped weapon called weapon. So where we are gonna go now, once we put this, we are gonna go and get e weapon. It's an enumeration. Now we compile and save this. Now once we save it, there's in this event equipped weapon, there's this thing appears. And also to make sure, as it's just one weapon, to make sure the default value to be katana for this case, because we are just equipping katana. So now if I go to this weapon variable needs to be brought again to the sandbox character. Again, how do we bring this? By using a blueprint interface. Now again, how do we create a blueprint interface? The same way. We go to blueprint. Oh, I'm gonna create a folder. Oh, I do have a folder. I'm gonna copy and move it here. And also I'll create a new interface called, I will name this BPI character animation. And in this one, we'll write update w8 weapon. Again, the same thing which we'll be doing. Get a weapon here, and we're gonna get the function called e weapon. Let's compile and save them all. Now we're gonna get this interface into this sandbox. How again do we get it? Same thing. We go and get BPI character animation. Now an interface is gonna appear where this one. So now this one, come on, comes to this one, and now we can call this interface to our sandbox character. And how do we do that? We get the mesh, we get the get anim instance. Now in this anim instance is gonna get update weapon, which is the interface from our sandbox character, and this one can be attached to this one. And let's bring it down here and let's copy and paste it. For this, as it's unequipping, let's stay unarmed. Also, to make sure that in the equipped sword, GA equipped katana, and to make sure the weapon is katana, because if this is unarmed, then it's not gonna work. So make sure you compile everything. So let's see whether it works or not. Oh, it's not working. Why? I think so we need to add like a yeah, I think so we need to add a layer setup. Let's add an index. Let's name this SPINE underscore O2, because from, I think so this is pi 2. From here, everything is gonna be blended. Just the clock animation is gonna be shown. And let's put, for my sake, 4. Let's test it out and see. Sure. Yeah, see, like the character is not performing the animation. Now it's alright then, guys. That's how you blend an animation. And hopefully you like the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friend. Thank you very much.